What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Look over the two scenarios here. Seeing at 88 cents, down 0.15 on the day. Seeing market cap 8.23 billion. 24-hour volume very low, 287 million. Let's hop into the chart. So bullish scenario, I was looking at a leading diagonal. So it could be that this is a wave 4 and we push up in a wave 5. However, if this wedge breaks, we can look at the bearish scenario, and we do have our previous bearish target in between 70 and 78 cents. So you'd be looking to come down in a wave C. So you'd have to look at an ending diagonal. Here's your wave 1. This was a wave 2 pullback. You came down in a wave 3, wave 4, which broke into the wave 1, so ending diagonal, and then coming down in basically a wave 5 of the wave C. And that would complete the pullback, and you'd see continuation to the upside. If this wedge breaks, if you start to lose the support here of about 87 cents and you retest it as resistance, then higher likelihood, this is a bearish pattern, a descending Browning wedge, higher likelihood you come down to the bottom of the wedge and then create that lower low. If we do get that bounce, then we can push up in the wave 5, complete this leading diagonal, and then see continuation to the upside. So the crucial support is the support of that descending Browning wedge. We got rejected by the 55 EMA, and we're failing to hold the 20 EMA. So often with these bottoming patterns, you'll see a double bottom. You create a bottom, you push up, you hit resistance of the EMAs, you come down, you create a double bottom, maybe create a little bit of a lower low before seeing continuation to the upside. So do watch for that. We do have that strong support right here in the 76 cent range. Looking at the price of Ethereum, very similar. You'd have to be looking at a leading diagonal to remain bullish, especially if the 50% retracement breaks, which would be the max retracement for an impulse of wave 4. Then you'd have to look at a leading diagonal. But if we break 1797 and we lose the support of this descending Browning wedge, very similar with Matic, you would look to come down in the wave C, and the bearish target would be in the 1640 range. I'll show you guys the support and resistance in that area. We'll open up the chart. So as you can see right here, around 1644, just in this range in between about 1640, 1543, creating a new low. There is resistance here, support and resistance in that area as well. So that could definitely be the target for the wave 2. It's also a fib retracement. If you take, let me just remove these fibs so it's not distracting. If you take a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top, you can see that 1644 lines up very, very closely with the golden ratio at about 1627. So that would give an opportunity to bounce if we do end up breaking deeper. All right, gang, so those are the two scenarios. We are retesting this inverse head and shoulders, a couple of patterns here, as well as we are still holding the daily EMAs. So those are crucial. If we break below the daily EMAs, then higher likelihood of creating that lower low. But if we can bounce, and obviously this massive ascending triangle could lead to a massive breakout. But in the short term for Ethereum, the crucial support to watch is about 1797. Which is the support of this wedge. All right, gang. And then for Matic, crucial support to watch is this wedge, which is currently coming in at about 87 cents. To maintain that wave 4, it's invalidated if you break below the wave 2, but I would just watch the support of this wedge. If it's broken, then we could come down to our original bearish target in that ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, come down to wave 5. Finish off this pullback and see continuation to the upside. So it's all about that wedge support. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Currently we're in 3 trades right now. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis if you sign up to Bitkit or Bybit. Up to 8K in bonuses on Bitkit, up to 30,000 on Bybit. Do the majority of your trading on Bitkit, and then just email me your sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. And you can have a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. Also 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.